A spoken narration ghostwritten by the above artist. Mimic their style closely. Speak in the first person. The point of a video is to form a deep connection with the audience. Avoid mentioning the name of the ghostwriter. Hey everyone! Welcome back to Landzil. Today we're unlocking the secrets to financing land purchases. A must-watch if you're planning to buy land for a home, farm or business. Trust me, this is info you need to know. First things first, let's talk about the types of land you might be looking at. You've got raw land, completely undeveloped with no utilities. Then there's unimproved land. Think of it as raw land with a bit of access or basic utilities. Lastly, improved land, ready for building with infrastructure already in place. The more developed the land, the easier and usually cheaper it is to finance. Now, let's dive into the financing options. Option 1, seller financing. This is where the landowner acts as the lender and you pay them directly. The pros: easier qualification, flexible terms and faster closing. But watch out for potentially higher interest rates and shorter repayment terms. This is best for buyers who might not qualify for traditional loans or need fast financing. Next up, bank or credit union land loans. Regional banks and credit unions are great, especially in rural areas. They offer regulated and sometimes better rates. But you'll need good credit, a decent down payment, and the terms are usually shorter. Ideal for buyers with good credit and a clear development plan. Considering a build? Check out construction loans. These combine land purchase and building costs into one package. It's streamlined financing and can convert to a mortgage once construction is done. However, you'll need detailed construction plans and permits. Perfect if you've got a contractor or builder lined up. For those eyeing rural land, USDA loans are a gem. Low or no down payment options with favorable terms for rural development. The catch? The property has to meet USDA eligibility and the application process can be lengthy. Best for rural buyers, small-scale farmers and homesteaders. Already own a home? Use a HELOC or home equity loan to fund your land purchase. Lower interest rates and no need for separate land financing, but remember your home is collateral. Great for homeowners looking to invest in land without a separate loan. Quick tips for getting approved and have a clear purpose for the land. Check your credit score, 680 plus is typically ideal. Be ready for a down payment, prepare necessary documents and shop around for lenders who understand land financing. So there you have it. Land financing doesn't have to be a mystery. Whether it's a cabin in the woods or a new subdivision, there's a financing solution for you. Smart buyers look beyond the price. They look at how to pay wisely. Thanks for watching Landzil. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips. See you next time.